Greetings, people. Yeah, man, we're back again on another one. Today, we're gonna be rustling up some ground provisions. Some yam and banana. I go. And some curry chicken, man. Some curry chicken there. Yes, so man. So watch and see how we'll do it, man. So we have our chicken there soaking out and thing. Yes, man. So we're gonna chop up our chicken now. Some chicken breast, man. An easy thing, but mats up quick and fast. So stay tuned, man. Alright, so we gotta add some seasoning now. So you know how we go, season up to the bone. Well, there's no bone in this one, it's beer flesh. We just add some salt. We got some black pepper there, and what do I also have? Some chicken seasoning. Yep, and I have some all-purpose seasoning. Yep, and then if I'm a better pack, I no curry that. We had my better pack. How we go, better pack serious. If you're Jamaican, better pack is the best curry, man. Add that in there and mix that up. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, we gonna chop up our natural seasoning, So I got scallion, onion, garlic. You see me put thyme in there. I got bell peppers. I'm gonna be putting in carrots. Got potato. All that's gonna go in there, man. Nice it up, man. Hey, you can't forget the scotchy, man. One scotchy night. You have to be nice and have some heat in this curry, man. So one scotchy night, man. The scotchy is not too bad. It's not too hot, but it's alright. It can work. You have to have some heat tonight, man. Yeah, man. Much flavor, whole heap of flavor. Yeah. Yeah, man. Today we roll out with a big pot today. We mean big business today. Yeah, but we ain't don't play around today. We got a big pot out today, but yeah, but we put some oil in there. You know we have to burn our curry right now. Leave that, make that heat up and thing. You know. Yeah. Yeah, man. I'll heat up now, so I'm gonna burn our curry. You know, you have to burn the curry. It can't be just boiled curry like that. You don't wanna run now. We don't run belly around here. You have to burn our curry. It tastes nice. More flavor as well. It give you that more flavor when you burn the curry. Nice, man. Nice. Yeah, man, so time my provision pot. Put some salt in the water, you know. I'm gonna need me dumpling them now. Yeah, man, yeah, provision up and ready. Yeah, man, get my flour ready, you know. I do some cornmeal dumpling today. So you see I put some flour, bit of cornmeal, a little bit of salt, and that's it. Get your water and get kneading. Yeah, man, get that dough up and going. Get a local workout, you know. When a cornmeal dumpling then tight. Yeah, proper workouts. Yeah, man, I check on the curry pot. Look, man, look on it star. Hey, you should be there, man, and smell the flavor that's licking your head off, man. I tell you, you know, see, chicken is almost cooked already. I tell you, the chicken, you know, the chicken breast is easy to cook. No long thing. Look on it, man. Look how pretty. Nice. Yeah, man. Leave it to steam up a little bit. You know, you have to keep turning it. Because it don't stick on the bottom, you know. Just pour some water on it and just leave it. Make it go and steam out, you know. Make it go and cook down. Make the gravy get thick up and thing. Yeah, man. Nice. Yeah, man, so I just added some grounded pimento in there. More flavor, nice it up, see how you see it. Yeah, see, look how it get thick, man. Look how gravy get thick up. Boy, me I tell you. This amazing. This better pot curry, it's a serious thing, man. Serious. Right now, pot almost ready, man. I tell you. Yeah, man, dough ready. Ready to do some spin-ups now, you know. Some chuck wheel we make to them, man. Cartwheel. Yeah, man. That sounds sweet, yeah, man. One of them sweets there, them. Look how yum. Just cut them up nice and easy, you know. Yeah. Yeah, at this stage I leave the yam in the water because as you know, once you peel yam they start to change color, they start to oxidize. So I just leave them in water so it don't get black too quick. So leave them there and I just do my dumplings now because cornmeal dumpling It takes a little while to soak. So you put them in first, leave them for a little bit, you know, get them to start boil up and thing, and then put my yam in and then my banana and thing. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Dumpling is in. Now we put the yam in. Like I said before, these yam are very soft, the white yam. You don't want to put them in first because by the time the dumpling cook, these yam mash right out. Like sweet potato, they'll mash out. So you don't want to put them in too quick. So get dumpling in first, especially cornmeal dumpling. It take a little while, a lot longer to cook. So get them in first, leave them for a little bit. Then your yam. Then you know banana is even worse. So you have to put those in last. So get the bananas in last and let them do the thing. Yeah, man. Yes, sir. Banana time. As you know how banana stay, the whole heap of stain up your hand, everything. But you know, there's a trick to it. You know, you can rub oil in your hands. You can use gloves. I'll just put them in water, and the stain reduce the stain. So I don't get a lot of stain on my hand. Oh, there's not much anyway. You just rub them off with a bit of water and soap, and that's it. It's done. So I'll peel them, put them in the water, and be good. You don't need to worry about no whole heap of stain on your hand, you know. Yeah, man. Who know how to peel banana? Hey. I don't want to say too much because some people don't know how to do everything, you know. Hey. Put a bubble and thing. Yeah, man. Time I put my banana. See, I put this method, put in one of the banana skin. This is a banana skin. So you do that to get rid of, as you know, again with banana, it's even worse than the yam. It get oxidized very quick. That's one of the reasons I put them in water as well while I'll peel them, because they get black very quick. So in order to eliminate or to reduce the oxidation and the blackness on the banana, I put a banana peel in the pot while you cook, and it reduces the blackness on the banana. That's another trick to get them come out nice and pretty when you finish. They're nice, man. You see in the pot, they're looking nice and lovely. They're not black like crazy. Like, yeah, that banana peel does the trick. Yeah, man, like a local trick, a local trick. Yeah. Yeah, man. Look how pot look lovely, man. Yeah. No blackness. Look on a banana, it looks nice. I tell you, local trick work all the time. I tell you, man. Nice. Lovely, man. And they don't break up and things. Nice. So pot almost ready, man. It's a couple more minutes. Pot land ready for share out, you know. So ready, man. Yeah. Yeah, man. Pot land. Everything touched down now. Stir out a little thing, you know. As you know, me and presentation not go well right now. Me still learn it. So a little plate with whole heap of food with it. Maybe I should get a bigger plate. With a little plate with whole heap of food. But you know I go. It's a home thing. This is not no restaurant thing. You see it. As long as the food tastes nice and thing, we're good to go, man. But you guys need to check it out, man, and try it out, man. It's lovely, nice. Yeah, man, I'm still working on making my dumpling them look nice and presentable. Them big ass cartwheel, yeah. Hey. We work on them, but it's so perfection. It's so perfect them. It's so happen. We still a work on them. But yeah, the thing is looking lovely, man. All is well. Yeah, man. Going at curry chicken here now. Hey, the flavor that's coming from that, man, is crazy. But yeah, man. But that's it, man. Thanks for watching. You know, we'll come back again with another one. But yeah, alright, peace out. man. A gravy are rich, man. You see how it thick? My word. A rich. Proper take up, man. Yes, sir. Nice. Look at that, man. Look on the rich gravy upon that, man. Yeah. Really talking.